Acumatica also manages a few external carrier integrations. The solutions range from direct FedEx and UPS integration to USPS via Stamps.com interface, and we continue to maintain these integrations. We also have our more robust connectors to carrier aggregators. In collaboration with each partner, we continue to future-proof and enhance these solutions. They range from parcel shipment solutions such as EasyPost or ShipEngine, where you can instantly access over 100 carriers depending on your use case and your business growth, and also to specific solutions for freight shipments such as our integration and partnership to 3G PaceJet to fulfill needs specific to LTL, FTL, 3PL type shipments for distributors. In this next segment, we will cover updates to these carrier integrations. Starting with PaceJet to the core. The underlying integration has been improved significantly since we launched this integration a few years ago. We have worked closely with customers to enhance this integration since launch, and we are happy to announce that this integration is available within Acumatica Core. The workflow for our PaceJet integration allowed distributors to connect the most important areas of Acumatica to PaceJet. Again, depending on their use case, they can choose as much or few control. Throughout the process of fulfillment, a handshake occurs with PaceJet, where we send relevant ERP data to the solution, whether it is on a sales order while shopping for rates, all the way to pick, pack, and ship process, including paperwork. Being in the core means that you're not required to deploy this as a customization. Once you have purchased this Fulfilled by Acumatica license, you're enabled to configure the connection to PaceJet and access their 70+ network of carriers to fulfill your freight and parcel shipment needs. We have also made updates to our FedEx and UPS connectors. Back with 2023 R1 update, we made changes to our FedEx integration to work with their new REST API. We have reworked that solution since then to allow our clients on SaaS platform to connect to either the sandbox or the production platform from within the same tenant, so they are able to test their carrier configurations before going live. As a result, we introduced the new client ID, client secret, and login endpoint parameters to address this. UPS also recently migrated to the REST-based platform, as well as using the industry standard OAuth 2.0 for authentication. Our integrations have been updated to connect to the new REST-based API using OAuth 2.0 for authorization and connection between Acumatica and the carriers. Next, there has been some changes to the USPS service methods. USPS is providing a new and enhanced ground solution for a more affordable way to ship packages that are delivered within 2 to 5 business days across continental US, combining with their popular last mile service. As part of this change, they're retiring their USPS retail ground and return service, USPS Parcel Select Ground, and USPS First Class Package Service and Return Service. These service methods are being merged and replaced by a new service called USPS Ground Advantage, and it also includes its own return service. We have upgraded our integrations to Stamps.com, EasyPost, and ShipEngine so our users can use this new service as the older service methods become obsolete. And finally, we have updated our ShipEngine integration to address a new carrier service. To provide a consistent and seamless experience to our users who are using the new Amazon connector that was introduced by our commerce team with the Commerce Edition, we have updated our ShipEngine integration to allow the purchase of Amazon Buy labels. With this, you're able to access the already great rates negotiated by Amazon and the carriers and select those carriers, namely UPS, FedEx, and USPS, to streamline your shipping for a more positive experience for your customers.